The 2013 Audi A1 competition kit R18 Red Plus. While the TT Ultra Quattro concept will no doubt be the star at Audi's stand at the 2013 Wörthersee meeting, the company is also coming with a few other models that also made quite a sensation. One of them is the Audi A1 updated with a competition kit inspired by the look of the successful Audi R18 e-tron quattro racecar. Of course, do not expect the A1 to look as extreme as the R18, but still, its look has been reinterpreted for the Audi A1, and the competition kit R18 can be ordered in either gray or red. The new competition kit includes red plus, or optional gray, decals for the body, new front lip and side skirts, a stylish roof spoiler at the rear and a silver sticker. The car sits on special wheels, while the center console also received a matching color trim. Click past the jump to read more about the standard Audi A1. Audi A1. The current Audi A1 is offered in two body configurations, 3-door and 5 doors, Sportback, with a convertible version to join the lineup at a later point. The A1 is offered with 3 TFSI gasoline and 3 TDI diesel engines with power ranging between 86 to 185 horsepower. The most powerful version can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 7 seconds and hits a top speed of 141 miles per hour. On the other end of the spectrum, the most efficient version delivers a fuel economy of 57.37 mpg. The engines can be mated to a standard 5-speed or 6-speed manual gearbox or an optional 7-speed S-tronic.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.